John, so you said you've been actively dealing with some of those issues. Can you give me a wee bit of information on that?
Well, being part of this youth group has helped me develop my leadership skills and it's allowed me to be part of the youth forum. And after identifying these problems, we, with the help of Nicola and Norma, our youth leaders, we planned a trip to Coleraine Hill and it was a massive success.
So, what are we doing tonight then?
Oh, sure, we could go. Oh, my mum can't take me.
No, we could go.
No, there's no bus.
You can maybe go walk to Borough.
No, sure, the path stops right there, a mile and a half away.
What about, oh no, that takes half an hour, that's half an hour away.
Ruth, I was just speaking to John, who's part of your Ballycastle youth group, and he was telling me about some of the issues that you are dealing with. Is there anything else that you've been dealing with in the area?
Well, we were planning our group to go speak to our local school's principal to see about more after-school activities.
Right, okay, and why is that?
Because when we come home to Ballycastle, there's very little activities, other from getting access to it by car or...
Right, okay, and is there any other difficulties in terms of accessing facilities or?
Well, to our local place where we can go, us older people, it's about a mile and a half where there's no footpath, so the road is quite dangerous.
Right, so that would be a big issue for the group. And how do you think you could address an issue like that?
Well, by lobbying and speaking to our local council.